So let's start the motors, sticks, down and out, both sticks, and the motor started. This is the Aspexel G09 Pro, little Wi-Fi drone under 250 grams. We already calibrated the compass and the gyro, and now we have taken off. Slight breeze, but the drone is holding its own, fairly steady. And I'm here in Grand Talk, close to the cruise port. 2 days before Christmas, and a cruise ship has just docked at the cruise port. I'm going to take the drone out, fly around, see how it performs. But before I do, please enjoy an unboxing. Being very close to the landing pad. Welcome to the channel. Today I have a new drone for you. What it is? The Aspexel G09 mini drone, under 250 grams, brushless motors. It has Waypoints, return to home. It's a GPS drone. 1 key takeoff and land feature, gesture mode for video and photos, follow me, point of inches, Waypoints. The camera is adjustable. So let's see what's in the box. It's a nice sturdy carrying case. It's a 2-axis gimbal drone, so it takes here up, down, left, right. But when you yaw left or right too hard, then it may create some issues for the drone. But videos should be smooth nevertheless. So what's in the case? Here it is. The controller, sticks are covered, solid looking controller. Feels a little light, a little flighty. I think these arms, this is the phone holder. Sticks feels okay. I think there's some arms here that could open, yes, outwards. Make the flying experience a little bit more comfortable, because you can hold the sticks here, the arms here, and it has a wire in the left antenna. I believe it has a 2.5K camera. Shouldn't be bad at all. And it comes with 2 batteries. We have 1 battery here, and we have one in the drone, 7.4 voltage lithium-ion battery, and this battery can be charged right here. And this is the drone. You can see the gimbal covering the camera. It's a folding drone. Let's open it.
So here it is, and there's a battery already in the drone. So it comes with 2 batteries. Pretty solid, but it's under 250 grams. Very neat little drone. Then it has accessories. So we have the manual. Let's see, it's in English and I believe several other languages. So you see it's the Aspexel G09 Pro. Let us see what other accessories it comes with. It's 2 charging cables, so you could charge the battery and you could be charging the controller at the same time. Spare props. So there you have it, folks. So I will charge up these batteries and I will take it out on its first flight and I will take you along on the journey. Stay tuned.
And so we have the drone in the air. It's recording straight to the SD card here. It has an SD card slot. It's 2.5K, but it's looking very good on it despite the slight breeze. The horizon looks level. This is a drone that is under 250 grams and well under $200. In fact, on Amazon, it was about $179 with a 40% coupon code, so that puts it about $130 for the Christmas sale. But I'm blown away here by the camera. Camera look absolutely good. Horizon looks fine, and the drone is performing quite well. Already exceeded my expectations. So what I'm going to do shortly is go into the intelligent flight features and see how they work. I think this drone has circular mode, waypoints, follow me, both GPS follow and image follow. And then if I have more time, I may try out another feature. It comes with 2 batteries rated to give a 20-minute flight time on each battery, so 40 minutes for both batteries. But of course that would depends on the flying conditions. And it has 3 speeds, so I'm in the 3rd speed here because there's a slight breeze, and it's rather quiet, very responsive on the sticks. So I've now started the test here on the return to home. I think that is the first feature that I'm going to try, the return to home, and then I will try out the other features. And the drone is actually coming to the home point, but it is coming backwards. So it has not turned around. That's what happens normally with most drones, whether Wi-Fi or DJI or Potensic or Attel drones. It is coming back to the home point backwards. So let's see how close it is going to come back. I'm not going to allow it to land. It seems to be a little off. Let me see how close. It seems that it is going to be about 10 feet or so off. Yes, 10 feet about, but that's not bad for a drone in this price range. For a budget drone, at least it knows where home is. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to push it out a little, and then I will try the circle mode, and let's see how it performs. And then probably the waypoints. I think it's in the app, it's route planning, something like that, but it's performs the same as waypoint. And then I'll do a follow me. I will try the GPS and the image follow and see how they work. But the camera looks absolutely good. Finally, a low-end budget drone with a decent camera. So let's get into the app and let's check out the circle mode. And here it is in circle mode, and it's going around anti-clockwise direction. So circle mode works. No issues at all. So let me get out of that mode, and probably the next one I will try is the reports.
Check
So I'm
flight
doing
mode.
a screen recording now, and I'm going to set just about probably 3 points. I'm not going to put them too far, and let's see how it performs. So as we can see, it is now heading to the third waypoint. So waypoints work. Waypoints work, and this is the budget
GPS
drone.
mode.
There's no issues at all. So let me get out of that and let me see if I could get into one of the follow me mode, either the GPS or image follow.
Ready for takeoff.
Let's try the GPS follow mode. Let me back up here. So this is really following the phone, following the controller. And So let me try again. Let's see what is happening here. And I think I'm now in GPS follow mode.
Follow mode.
Finally. And the little drone is actually following me. So follow mode actually works. I'm surprised, but it does. In fact, I'm just taking a photo as the drone is following me. And this little drone here could put some more advanced and more expensive drone to shame. So it is following, and I'm just making a circle, and it still has me, and I'm now going back to where I start, and you could see that the drone is still following. I have to be careful because I'm close to some trees here, and it has no obstacle avoidance, obstacle detection. I don't want it to come crashing down. So return to home works okay. Circle mode works. Waypoints work. And now we have GPS follow, and that also works. It appears that the image follow has some issues.
GPS mode.
Maybe I'll have to try that out in another video. And I'm seeing
GPS mode.
that my battery has gone into the red. It only have a 20-minute flight time. There's a strong wind, and
GPS
that
mode.
seems to have depleted the
GPS mode.
battery. But yeah, this little drone
GPS mode. Follow
has
mode.
performed reasonably well,
GPS mode.
and for the price point, I would say that it is a steal. I will do some more testing, and probably in another video I will say if this is a drone that I can recommend. If you like this video, please give it a
Down.
thumbs up, and I see you in another one.
Down.